How to delete purchase history on App Store. You cannot delete the purchase history, your only option is to hide it. Yes, you cannot permanently delete App Store purchase history, but you can hide apps from your purchase list, making them appear as if they were never purchased. First of all, in order to do that, open the App Store on your mobile device. Now, once inside the App Store, tap on your profile icon at the top right corner of your screen and navigate to your profile section. Now, there tap on the purchase history. So as you can see, I do not have any purchase history option available here since I have not bought any apps in my App Store. But in order to hide the app, you can follow these steps. So now all you have to do is swipe left on the app's entry. Hold on the app and swipe left. There you will get to see hide option available there. Simply tap on it and hide it from your purchase list. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.